there was no social media when I first started. So one of my very first investments into the world of, well, my very first investment is that I was willing to move to Las Vegas, Nevada with $500 in my pocket. That was a risk. Why? Because I didn't have a backup plan. I didn't have a plan B. I didn't have a job lined up. I didn't even know anyone who, if if the bottom dropped out of this move, I could not I didn't have a backup plan to rely on. I moved to Las Vegas with $500 to my name, and I said, I'm going to get rich or die trying. That was my mentality. That was my mentality. That's it. So moved to Las Vegas, worked several jobs. So that was the second thing. I was willing to work during the process of my entrepreneurship journey. See, a lot of people go into entrepreneurship saying they want time freedom. Being an entrepreneur does not get you time freedom. See, that's a misconception. I don't know who sold you guys those bill of goods. If you have not gotten my book, Full-Time CEO, the shit they don't tell you, you don't have time as an entrepreneur. You don't go into entrepreneurship for time freedom.